Jordan, tell us one super tip on getting started investing in real estate.
I think one thing, if you don't want to put a lot of money down, would be warehousing, basically where you, or I don't mean warehousing, wholesaling.
Okay.
Where you kind of get a property under contract and then you sell it without ever actually taking possession. It's a way of kind of getting started. You might make $20,000, $30,000 for doing it, and you're kind of facilitating the sale to the real buyer. And there's a whole bunch of people who can teach you how that works. There's a simple way for the average person to kind of get started without having to have money or actually buying the property directly.